Hey everybody, it's Nancy from So Original. Quick video on upcycling, another one. I bought this top. I thought it was adorable, but you know, it's kind of frumpy. It's not all that great. And what the hell is this? Not really sure what body they had in mind. So I want to make it look more fabulous. So I'm going to alter this and make that look better. And then I'm going to add some stuff to it. I'm thinking I'll add like a long ruffly bottom. So I got this cute fabric and this cute fabric. And I might even use some of this or maybe some of this. And I might really go crazy and use some of these cute little plastic flowers. And I just happen to have them in some very good colors, so I might throw some of those all over. So I'll take a $3 thrift store shirt and turn it into something fabulous. Okay, moving on. This was also a thrift store buy, and I just fell in love with the colors. And but I knew it wouldn't fit, and I didn't need something like this. But I love the colors, so I want to keep it for me, mainly because it matches my all-time favorite necklace. How perfect is that? I got this in Bisbee, Arizona. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to chop it off and add sleeves of some sort and make it a fall type shirt that I can wear. Okay, next one. These were my favorite fitting pair of jeans, so I wanted to do something cute with them. So I just threw on a bunch of iron-on appliques, and some of these little parts, as you can see, come up, so I do machine sew those on with monofilament invisible thread. But guess what? When I did them, I put the flowers down a little too low because I wasn't paying attention to how long the jeans are. So guess what I'm gonna do? And I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna chop these fuckers off. So I'm going to cut them off. Oh, and look at my handy dandy little pocket thing I made. So this is a stupid $7 shoe thing from Walmart. I hate Walmart, by the way. And it's perfect for my serger thread. So I'm going to lop these babies off right above where the flowers are. Give myself enough room for seam allowance. And and then I'm going to just move them up. Now obviously this is narrower. Well, that would help. This is narrower than this, so I'll have to accommodate for that by taking this in a little bit. And I might even add a fun strip of fabric or something there, so they'll be really cute. So, and I will do it on both legs, not just one leg. Okay, next project. This I thought was cool, another thrift store buy, but I wanted to make it cooler. So I'm going, I don't know if I'm gonna split it up the middle or what yet, but I got some contrasting, look at that fabulous piece of fabrics that all kind of go, and I'm gonna chop it up and make it a little more crazy. And that's about it for my upcycling for the moment. Stay tuned and you can see some of the finished products.